Okay, so I am right there with you. I have money in crypto and not good waking up to see what's transpiring. This is a continuation of what we've been talking about in the last 24 to 36 hours. So we're going to continue that dialogue, and we're going to talk about the fact that the crypto markets are definitely bleeding. They're definitely in the red. This is pretty big crypto news. Is this a crypto crash? And is the crypto bull run over? We're going to talk about all that in this video. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that like and hit that subscribe button. So let's get into this. Crypto is down 9.5%. So on this number, on the crypto market capitalization number, let me show you what's going on there. Oh, that's the fear and greed index. Excuse me about that. Okay, so hold on just a minute. Let's take a look at that's what I'm looking for right there. Okay, so we've got a situation where if you look over here on the right, and let me move the picture of me, you can see this is a very telling move down. So on the 17th of December, 3 days ago, the crypto market was a $3,770,000,000,000 market. And right now it is a $3,250,000,000,000 market. $520 billion has been wiped out of the crypto market in 3 days. And so, inside of that, why is this going on? What's what's transpiring? Is this a crash? I'm not really going to call this a crash. Some people might call it a flash crash. Although flash crashes usually are like really quick and then, boom, you're down and then you're back up. This is a continuation bleeding scenario, that's playing out here. And so, is this a normal correction, or is the bull market done? Now, if you're talking about the bull market, the big one that we're in that's supposed to last until October, November of 2025, heck no, that bull run is not over. Okay. This particular title is grabbing, trying to grab some attention, but Bitcoin has tumbled $13,000 in a few days. Okay. That's a lot, right? And just to put that into perspective, Bitcoin right now, its low that it's hit in the last 24-hour cycle is right here, right there, 92,175. So has hit that low. It's bounced off of it, and it's coming back 95. But obviously, we've got a lot of bleeding in the altcoins. Ethereum down 10%, XRP down 8%, almost. Solana 9, Dogecoin 17. Meme coins are being hit real hard. 10% down. Avalanche 13, Shiba Inu down 15%, and so forth and so on. So a lot of blood in the proverbial streets, right? Okay, so again, why is this transpiring? This has to do with the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting where we on Wednesday got the announcement of that they were going to be pulling back on how many rate cuts they were going to give us in 2025. We were promised 4, and now we're only going to get 2. Okay. Is there political manipulation going on there? Some of you guys and have been commenting on my videos. You think so? There could be, right? I mean, we're all just speculating at this point in time. Is this a shakeout to try to shake us out of crypto before Trump takes office? Could be. There's speculation there. Again, I have no proof of any of this, right? I mean, so I'm just, my job is to look up and look up the news and see what's going on, to see if I can put some pieces together and things of that nature. So again, the Fed's policy is definitely having a bigger impact. The policy rate decision, yesterday, crypto was down. And I'm talking about this number right here, about 3 or 4%. Well, we just woke up continuation. Now it has come back a little bit. Literally, as we're recording this video, we were down about 9.5%. Now we're down 7.7%. Okay. So it's getting a little bit better. So Chairman Powell's actions, the Federal Reserve actions have definitely changed investors' behavior towards crypto. Listen to this. Spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded their worst day in terms of net outflow since their inception nearly ago. What is an outflow? It means people selling their position in that spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, and that, now that we've got a group of people that are not crypto investors per se, they're investing, with the traditional big funds like BlackRock, Fidelity, things of that nature. All they do is see headlines and they see Bitcoin moving down and they sell. Now, usually they take a loss, which is something they don't really need to do, in my opinion. But hey, that's, me. They don't know what's going on, right? They don't even know that there's a massive bull run here that we're inside of, all that kind of stuff. They're just reacting to the news on an emotional kind of fear-based selling scenario. Well, what happens is that creates momentum, that creates movement. And the Bitcoin ETF is a thing. It's moving the market. It can move the market, right? That creates a thing, and that's probably part of the reason pushing this down. And then it bleeds over into the rest of crypto assets, right? I mean, it has a cascading effect, if you will. Ethereum, all this kind of stuff, XRP, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so hey, before I let you go, I want to share with you this video is sponsored by a pretty cool project called Track Good AI. And in a nutshell, what they do is they help transform ESG transparency with AI, blockchain, and gamification. This is really probably the best example. So this is like if you want to track the kind of the entire life cycle of a product, you would need their app, all that kind of stuff. Scan the QR code to trace the story of this product. So you scan that product, and it will give you origin verification, sustainability, organic, fair trade, all that kind of cool stuff. This is really pretty cool. And I know that there's a lot of people that care about this. So this is something I think that's really cool. They've come out. Now their chart has looking pretty good, got a little bit of a move down. Obviously, probably part of the reason here is actually what we've been talking about this entire video. So just check them out, Track Good AI. I'm going to give you a link in the description to their website as well as to this chart. It is on base. So if you want to get into it, check it out. But I think there's a lot of opportunity here. This is a really cool product, and it's very much a ground floor opportunity. Look, there's per Dex Tools, there's only 317 holders right now, and it's at a $246,000 market cap. So give Track Good a look. But this is probably the best explanation of what they do, which I think is really, really pretty cool. Okay, so thanks for sponsoring the video, Track Good. So look, again, here's what I would tell you. Don't sell if you don't have to, right? Don't let the fear, the emotion kind of run away with you. Is this a crypto crash? No, not in my opinion. This is a shakeout. This is a scenario playing out where I think you've definitely got some manipulation going on. I think some institutional money is pushing people around. I think that's happening. Beyond that, you got a lot of fear, a lot of emotion now. People are selling when they shouldn't be. We saw really, especially on like meme coins, they're being hit even harder. That makes sense because you have a lot of new investors in meme coins. They have a lot of, they don't really have a plan. They just sell, they take a loss. Oh my God, I can't do this. And the sky's falling and crypto's ending today, which we all know is not true. Okay. So we've been here. Okay. If you've been investing in crypto for any period of time, we've been here. We've seen times like this. And crypto is so volatile. I mean, it runs. Think of it. Bitcoin's gone down $13,000 in a few days, right? I mean, Ethereum's gone down. I mean, a lot in a few days. So forth and so on. It's a theme, right? It's a continuation across the board. Always ask yourself this one question, and I'll end the video on this question. Remember, ask yourself this question: when in doubt, this is the question. When you look down the road, 6 months, a year, 2 years, 5 years from now, and depending upon your investing strategy, if you have done what I've told you, if you have bought your cryptos, all your cryptos that you like, right? And you have a buy and hold mentality, which you should, okay? A multi-year hold, then you're fine, because this is the question to ask yourself. Do you believe that crypto is going to be bigger 2 years from now than it is today? Today, we have a $3,225 billion market cap. Do you think that number is going to be 6 trillion, 7 trillion, 8 trillion? Well, if the answer is yes, then nothing to worry about. The answer is yes to that, then hey, you might want to be looking at buying and shopping. Me, I'm thinking about buying some more Bitcoin. I'm definitely going to be buying some more Bitcoin at these levels. And some other, like Ethereum, some other assets, right? And probably going to be looking at some more meme coins. I'm going to add to my Dogecoin position, add to my Shiba Inu positions. Why? Because I'm going to take advantage of the fear and the blood in the streets, so to speak. Okay. So just my 2 cents. Thanks for giving me a few minutes. I'll see you. This too shall pass. See you. Bye.